Okay.
Yes,
Did you
right.
have to, did you have time to drink some water?
No, I did. No, I didn't eat
You
yet.
did. Okay, you don't need. Okay. So
Awesome.
we,
Yeah, it's
you are
okay.
going to Salvador by the end of the month, right?
As I will travel in 26th April.
On,
April on April 26th.
yes, when you're going to say the full date, you use the preposition on April 26. Okay.
Okay.
In
For that,
April, you can say in April,
okay.
okay? But on April 26. Okay.
And before that, I will be in Espírito Santo for some days.
Oh,
I,
really? So you'll be
I will
traveling.
be in April 20
April
and
20, next week.
next week when I will
You will
and
be in
stay
Espírito Santo.
Espírito Santo until
Vitória?
no Guarapari. My parents.
Your family. To see your
Yes.
family.
It's between
Ah,
20 April to 26. I will be in Guarapari for some days.
okay, so you will be 1 week in Guarapari, then you go to Salvador.
Yes, it is.
How long are you going to stay in Salvador? For how long?
Um, I think 5 days because we
Okay.
have
Mhm.
a holiday. In,
Yes, Dia do Trabalho, Labor Day, Labor Day. Yes.
but we have another holiday. Yes, one May.
Uh,
May.
May the 1st, right? I think.
Yes.
I think it's May the 1st. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
And
So
I
mhm.
I haven't time to write there.
You
The
didn't have time to write for the
Yes,
other.
this time I haven't time
You
because
didn't have. Yes,
was
last time you did a wonderful job.
that time
Really.
because I was on duty this weekend.
Okay.
I and I had some work to do in this.
Uh-huh. What would you like me to help you with, for example, concerning the week you're going to stay in Salvador? What do you think you would need us to, are you going to make any presentation there
I believe
or
that
just talk to
I believe
people?
not that I will that I may have any presentation, just
Mm.
some I think that will be any meeting, just some conversations with my VP.
Okay.
He's in vacation right now,
Mm.
and he'll be back in April 16 this week. But for
Ah,
the week that I will be in Salvador, there is any meeting in my schedule until
mm. By now. Yes, until now.
yes, but and yes, I will be in Salvador alone. My coordinator will not. He will not. He
So why do you think you're going there? What's the reason why they asked you to go there?
because we have to be in Salvador once week per month.
Ah, okay, okay. So this procedure.
Yes, this is a new procedure, but I think that it will be changed in the
Mm-hmm.
next next days.
Okay, so maybe after this week, the in Salvador, then maybe there will be some changes in your work position. I mean, not position. Yes,
Some
location.
changes about this routine because in
Oops.
it's me.
Hello? Yes. Yes, I think it was you. I'm still here. This time it's not me. Okay.
Because on in this next Tuesday we
Uh,
have a meeting with the HR guys and our
uh,
manager.
okay.
We will say something about the changing to
Uh,
leave
to move, the moving.
move to
The
Salvador.
moving to okay. So during this week, you will have like normal conversations, yes, about the work, but informal conversations with your VP, right?
Maybe I will have something, but there is any meeting on the schedule in the
Mm,
schedule, but
mhm.
I may be surprised with something.
Uh-huh.
Um, I have a meeting in the first week in May for
Uh-huh.
laws that we have to present to the council. But before that, there is
Okay.
in our schedule.
That 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 uh, same presentation but improved, right?
Yes, this is the same presentation, but for another wells that
Okay.
are
Okay.
we will propose to drill. But yes, I may have some conversation with him, but not
Only
much.
informal. I
Just
mean,
informal, just informal, not
mm,
about some meeting or some well. He
uh-huh.
may ask something to
Uh-huh.
me, questions maybe, but
Uh-huh.
I schedule about on meeting schedule. There is nothing about this until now.
Uh-huh. Let me ask you more questions. Um, is the meeting for the council, is it going to be before your travel to Salvador or after?
Sure. This meeting is scheduled to
To be
May 11 May 11, 11,
May the 11th.
May 11.
May the
First,
11th.
firstly,
Yes.
month, and
First
after,
month. And then after the date. Yes. The date. The day.
yes,
Yes.
we will present to
May the
them.
11th.
We will present to them around three water injector wells and another two oil
Mhm.
producers. I think.
Mm.
Yes, I think that is it. Three wells to inject water and another three wells from another field that we have here for oil production.
Okay. Um, yes, I had another thing to ask.
Yes, the another engineer that is a member in the secondary recovery team, the team that
Uh,
that I'm I'm eu sou parte,
I'm part of.
I'm part of. They the weeks that in the last week they presented an horizontal well to the council to
Okay. They presented. Were you in the meeting?
no, no, I was not in this meeting.
Okay. So when you have to make a presentation to the council, is it in Mossoró?
No, they are in I don't know that is in USA or Colombia. I don't know.
Ah, it's online.
It's online. Everything is online.
Okay. Okay, the meeting is online.
Yes, it's not.
So you have to make your coordinator made the presentation online.
Yes, online.
Okay, got it. Okay, understood. Um,
Online.
and this time he is going to make the presentation again, not
Mm,
you.
No. Yes. So in the last presentation, he said that that me
Mhm.
do the presentation. Did.
You were going. I was going to make the presentation.
Yes, to present about the
Yes.
engineering
Yes.
stuff.
Yes. Finally,
He
he made the
said,
presentation.
yes, I did the slides, but he presented.
Okay, he presented. Okay.
He presented.
Okay.
And
Okay.
for this time, I believe that will be me to
Uh-huh.
present the engineering stuffs
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
and another engineer that is in Bahia.
Uh-huh.
He he is responsible to do the simulation, the production simulation,
Uh-huh.
the reservoir response to
Mm-hmm.
water simulation.
Mm-hmm.
He responsible for this part, and
Uh-huh.
I think that he will present this time, not me, I believe. But
Yes, but you believe, why don't we get prepared in case you are asked to make the presentation?
the last presentation,
Not the last, because the last they didn't like, right? So you have another new one presentation to make. Not
so
exactly you, your coordinator, but
so in the last presentation was me that is proposed to present firstly,
yes, okay.
but in the last meeting we received the notice that the council, some part of the council of the
Mm.
company, uh,
Would be
would be present in the
present, yes, in the
in this
meet.
time. The council will be present, but just the guy that is responsible for technical stuffs, not about
Okay.
cost and capex, not about this.
Okay, just the technical person.
I believe that will be just technical
Uh-huh.
things.
Uh-huh.
If
Uh-huh.
it will be about technical things, I think that I may present not
Okay. Yes,
maybe
so
not
let's get prepared. Let's get prepared.
everything, but maybe a part of something.
Uh-huh. You don't you still didn't finish, right?
No, no, we will start the presentation. We didn't start yet.
But do you have the content? I mean, yes, you still didn't make the PPT, right?
Yes.
You have to make the PPT first. Yes, sure. Okay. Okay. Or yes, yes, I think that you must have the PPTs first. So when do you think you're going to be able to have the PPT so we can get training the presentation?
Um, uh, some weeks, I think, because we have to do everything.
Okay.
We have nothing prepared right now.
Not yet.
But
Yes. Maybe.
I have something, but just for geological and seismic,
Mhm.
just some
Okay.
data and geological stuff.
Okay. Okay.
But the engineering for this presentation,
Okay.
we have nothing
So
yet.
maybe when you are in Salvador.
Yes, will be. I will have some
Okay. Okay. So then we practice when you are.
define something about
Yes.
engineering
Okay.
and
Okay. Okay. So then you can, yes, perform like twice. So
Yes.
get really good at making the presentation. Okay, good.
And we have this kind of presentation. We usually schedule some meetings to review
Mhm.
the 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 slides with the team.
Uh-huh.
We usually do a small presentation just to show to the manager how it's going on.
Uh-huh. Just a short presentation.
Just some short presentations, but it's
Mhm.
not in English, in Portuguese.
It's not the official.
Not the official
Uh-huh.
presentation, just to the team knows how the presentation is going.
Uh-huh. Okay. So this is for this week, maybe.
For the next week, I think.
For yes. Okay, for the next week. Yes. For the
We,
next week. But
yes,
next week you'll be, let me see. I'm totally
Salvador.
lost. Okay, next week.
No, next
You
week
will
I'll be
be,
in Guarapari,
yes, when you are in Guarapari.
working home office on Friday.
Yes. Okay, okay, okay. So then you online you're going to have a meeting, right? You, the team, and your manager.
As on Friday, in the next Friday, and
Uh-huh.
week, in week after this, that I will be in Espírito Santo.
You will. Mhm.
Yes, I think that we will schedule some meeting in
Mhm. Okay.
just something about these wells.
Okay.
We
And mhm. And what you you said you
hello,
didn't participate in the hello?
I
Hello?
can't hear you very well.
Yes, you're frozen.
Yes.
I can hear you. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello?
Okay,
Hello?
it's not good.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Yes, okay.
I
So
can.
next week, no, I was going to ask about the horizontal wells. The horizontal, yes, horizontal well, right?
Right.
Yes. You you told me you didn't participate in the meeting.
No, no, I started to be present in this meeting when it was to end,
When?
when the meeting was
About to finish.
about to finish. Just
Okay. Okay, 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 okay. So do you know anything about this? Do you
yes,
have anything to say about the guy's presentation?
I just got the this when the council guy was
Mhm.
speaking something, but I don't got everything. I really lost um the technical things about this horizontal web.
Okay.
They told me that the presentation was better than the last presentation.
Okay. What
Was
better?
better
But about the horizontal well?
because in the first presentation we presented six wells to them, and
Uh-huh.
last one we present just two wells. We pres
Oh,
they presented one horizontal well and another vertical well. So
uh,
we are discussing about that because we learned that it's better present less wells and have a
approval. Okay.
technical more consistent than
Okay.
more than one and have a lot and have a lot of jobs,
In
a lot
in
of
inconsistencies, right?
inconsistency because
Okay.
times we really have to run to find and to do some evaluations. And when it's less wells, one well, two wells is better to evaluate, to understand, to be more confident in the meeting. So we are discussing with our manager to change it,
Mhm.
stage less wells in every meeting with the council too.
Ah, okay, good. Good idea.
Meeting,
Yes.
when, for example, when we presented the 6 wells,
Mhm.
and it spent around 4 hours, and
Wow.
it's not good to stay much time presenting something because it starts to be
Boring.
yeah,
They cannot concentrate.
yes, and
Yes.
may
Also, you guys. So your coordinator made this presentation for 4 hours.
not him alone because the
Uh,
person in
there are geologists also, right?
every part
Okay.
that
Okay.
is responsible for
Yes.
seismic the seismic guy, geology.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Okay, got it. Okay, correct this for me, please. You said this. Can you correct?
You don't get it.
Yes,
I
if it's
yes,
present. I
because
don't
God,
get it if you're saying to me and
yes,
you
because
don't understand me now. But you are narrating something and you said que você não entendeu. Você não entendeu aquilo. How do you
yes,
correct this? This is wrong. I didn't got it is wrong. How do you
I
correct it? Sorry?
don't get it.
Yeah. So you know.
No,
You forget, right?
yeah, because God, you
Yes,
don't
I know.
get it.
I know. It's okay. It's okay. I didn't get it. It's okay. So I'm just checking this verbs. If you have knowledge about it.
Yes, I know, but sometimes
Yes, I know. It happens. It happens with everybody. So once we start correcting on and on every time, then you get more aware when you
yeah,
speak. I don't. Yes, I,
I'll eat some minutes before the meeting.
sorry?
And I was thinking about this case like this when, for example, I was thinking what is correct. Like I didn't forget, I didn't forgot. No,
Okay. So what was right and wrong?
I didn't forget is right.
Yes, good. I didn't forget. Yeah. So I was still I'm still in doubt. If you understand what is past and what is or you don't know how to apply the verb tenses. I'm still learning about it. But I think that you have the knowledge.
But some things,
I know
uh,
it's because when you use you forget.
yes,
Yes, I know. You get so
right in some,
uh
I will remember about these cases, but when I'm speaking, sometimes I may forget it.
yeah, I may forgot it not.
I may forget it.
Yes.
Yes, because it's in. Okay.
Eu posso esqueceu? Eu posso esquecer disso? It's wrong, right? Eu posso esquecer? Não. Posso esquecer. I may forget it, okay? I may forgot it. Yes, I may forget. Okay. Yes. Okay. So let me check. Yes. So what
Eh,
are your yes, the thing is that this presentation about the horizontal well is like one thing. It's not about the Canadian man
No,
technique.
no, no,
Ah,
no.
okay.
Canadian, they help us with this presentation about this
Mhm.
because
Ah,
they aren't a member in,
uh-huh.
they are just
A
consultant.
consultant. Yes.
It is.
Consultant. Okay. Okay, so here I put video 1, 4.13 minutes.
They are helping us a lot with because they have a lot of experience in horizontal
Uh-huh.
well. They are helping us in some hydraulic fracking analysis under
Mm-hmm.
or simulations about hydraulic frackings.
Uh-huh.
They are helping us with some evaluations because they really have a lot of experience in Canada in
Uh-huh.
these.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to this video, not the horizontal drilling, the other
But
one, because it says here that we stopped
yes, we stopped
in
it
this
in
moment for 13 minutes. So you can video 1. I think it's this one.
let me show you something.
Yes. Once the charts are now ready to. Ah, cute. Oh my gosh. Is it a boy or a girl? I think it's Basset.
No, it's Dashan.
Ah, I don't know much about this breed. Breed,
Oh,
right? Do you know the name? Raça de cachorro?
it's
Breed.
salsicha.
Salsicha, yes. We call it salsicha. Ah, it's so cute. Is it a boy or a girl?
No,
Ah, it's a girl. Okay. Is
but
what's her name?
it's Julieta.
Julieta. So maybe she will be moving to Salvador, Julieta.
In my feet because I'm not paying attention on her.
Sorry?
She's crying in my fix because I'm not paying attention.
Ah, okay. You arrived at home and you didn't say hello to her.
Oh man,
You're talking to me and not to her. Okay. Okay, so what's this?
this is the perforating guns.
Okay. And what are they going to do by now? Even though it's
We
13 years.
we
To being
will,
conveyed perform the TCP is TCP? What's
yes,
TCP?
tubing column
Mm,
casing. I don't know specifically what it means, but
okay.
DCP. Okay,
Okay.
this video it is wrong because TCP is not in this way. This video is wrong about it.
Ah, it's wrong.
Yes,
Okay. I
is
I remember I have an image to show you, okay? About BOP today.
this TCP
Mm,
is normally used when we want to reach the reservoir and produce at the same time. So this
uh-huh.
TCP is connected with the tubing.
Uh-huh.
We usually use a Parker above this TCP and we shot through the reservoir and
Uh-huh.
to produce um, seconds before we shot with this tool. So because when we use wide line or slick line with these guns,
Mhm.
they to to run this right line to the well,
Mm.
uh, shot to reach the reservoir, and
Uh-huh.
we remove to the surface. But when using TCP, you can put this inside the well with the production column
Uh-huh.
or and produce
Uh-huh.
without and nothing, without removing anything. So in this case, it's not TCP, it's conventional perforating guns.
Yay, amazing. Good.
Using sensors, part of the gun string, the guns can be accurate,
Using sensors, part of the gun string, the guns can be accurately.
positioned in front of the targeted reservoir.
Yes.
The charges in the gun are now ready to be ignited using the surface perforating control equipment. Once the correct depth has been confirmed, the gun is fired.
Is it not this way?
This is in this way, but
Uh-huh.
it is it is in this way.
Yes, it happens exactly like this.
Yeah, like this.
Uh-huh. In the reservoir, right? This green part here
Yes,
is
it
the
is.
reservoir. Okay.
There are some discussions. What is to say that is reservoir
Mm.
or
Or
some reservoir?
aquifer. No.
Because that some people speak reservoir,
Calls
and
it reservoir.
calls it reservoir, and another calls it
People, aquifer.
reservoir.
Reservoir, I didn't hear the word. Reservoir and aquifer.
Algumas pessoas,
Aquifer?
algumas pessoas falam reservoir e outras pessoas
Reservatório?
reservoir.
Ah, okay. No, this is silly, yes. Because
Uhum.
this word is a French word. Came from the French language.
Okay.
So, yes. If you say reservoir, it
It's
sounds more French, maybe.
The charges in the gun explode, providing a path through the formation, the cement, and the casing to the production tubing. The perforating gun is then pulled out of the hole. Now,
What did they draw this the green?
this is oil
Ah, okay. This is oil coming from the cracks,
from the this yes.
explosions.
We call it perfs
Ah, perfs. Okay, perfs. Okay.
through the
well
perfs.
is perforated, and the path
The weld is perforated and the path
has been established between the stored hydrocarbons and the weld board.
stored hydrocarbons and the weld bar.
Weld bar.
What is it? The weld bar is the tube?
I don't know what it means. Weld bar.
Okay. Established between the stored hydrocarbons and the hydrocarbon is the chemical of the petroleum, right?
Yes, it is. But weld bar, I never heard about.
Weld bar. Let me try to translate to Portuguese.
I really don't know what it means.
Bar, barra de solda.
Ah,
Yes, makes sense. Weld, solda, bar, barra de solda.
I don't know.
Store. Yes, don't know what he means. Okay.
While the drilling rig is still in place, production tests are performed to confirm the commercial viability of the reservoir before the production string is installed.
So how long does it last? I know it depends on the well, right? How long does this procedure, this part of the rig flow for years, right?
Depends to the size of the reservoir.
Okay.
If
Yes,
this
you told me before. Yes.
reservoir is big and it has higher pressure, it can
Mm-hmm.
for much time than some specifically wells or some specifically reservoirs. So the
Mm-hmm.
size of the reservoir is correlated how much time the well is still flowing
Mm-hmm.
of any method.
Okay. It's a production string.
Yes, before the production string is installed. It's like drill string, but production string is the production column, like with tubing,
Okay, okay, okay.
some components.
And the well.
The well.
A typical production stream is made of a tubing.
So is this fracking? Not.
Like we just
This is
preparation.
the normal procedure
Position.
to exploit oil. So I got confused. I thought this was fracking. No.
Is the standard to
Standard, yes.
so like this
Mm.
part this equipment here in yellow is
Uh-huh.
Packer and
Parker.
Packer.
Okay. Yes, type it. See.
This yellow here
Parker.
and
Okay.
part below the Packer is it's just one tubing.
Uh-huh.
And when we use TCP,
Mm-hmm.
we pull down into the well. We put
Uh-huh.
out it's called
Yes.
well this
Hold down. Yes.
this tubing column with the Packer
Mm-hmm.
above the Packer and above and below this tubing the TCP. So the TCP will be in front through the reservoir,
Mm-hmm.
will be perforated by the TCP. The
Mm-hmm.
well produce.
Mm-hmm.
It will prepare to produce without use any wire line to perf the reservoir because he
Okay.
use
Uh,
wire are paying then the daily the the cost of the operation. Then when we use TCP, is just one run into the well. Not
uh-huh. Okay.
it's more economic in some
It's more
cases.
economic to use this, the Packer.
To use
Okay. Let me see what
Packer and bottom.
Packer.
The production packer is installed above the top of the preparations to ensure that the flowing hydrocarbons reach the surface only.
So it isolates the well, right?
yes, to keep it safe.
Okay. So it flows only through this
Only
Production tubing.
through the how do you call this? The tubing, production tubing, right?
yes, right.
Understood.
This is a conventional equi-
Exploitation.
equipment for wells that can flow alone without any method. They
Uh,
usually use this kind of
uh-huh.
tubing.
Okay. So and tell me, what's the percentage of wells that you find